Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube video, and in this video I am going to give you an step-by-step guide that on how to use Klaviyo for email marketing in 2025. From setting up your account, building your list, creating your first campaign, and even sending automated emails, Klaviyo is one of the best tools for e-commerce brands and online businesses because of its powerful automation, advanced segmentation, and keep integration with Shopify, WooCommerce, and more. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. So first of all, we just need to create an account and then connect our store with Klaviyo. So here you can see we are already in Klaviyo, and here you can see their pricing. As you can see, this is the pricing, and if you want to use the free plan, they also provide a free plan for hours. So here I'm going to click on sign up. Once I click over here, then here you just need to provide your mail address, password, company name, company website, then the phone number, and how will it be using Klaviyo. You just need to select these things. So I am going to provide all the necessary things over here, then giving the password over that place, and then giving a company name. We are digital, this is our company name. Then provide a mail or website address. So let's search for Wix. We have an Wix website, so let's go and let's paste it here. Copy this one, and then I will paste it here. And they are asking for phone number. I will leave it this way. Then I will check I'm not robot, then click to the create account, and phone number is required, so I will paste a phone number here and click on create account, and it will take a while. So something went wrong. Try on off these methods, view your content, reset your password. Okay, let's reset your password. Let's try to reset. Like, I hope I already have an account because I do work with lots of plugin and apps in here. Sometimes I create account but I forget, so that is the reason. So let's try it also with this one. Does we have any account yet or not? So email send this account. If this account exists, we will get a mail over here. So let's wait a bit. Yeah, we have already an account, but it's a request to reset. No changes have been made to your account yet. To update password, click over here. So let's try to log in, because if I have an account, that means I have already saved the password over here. So here you can see this is the password. So I will click to the login. Once I click over here, it will take a while and it will redirect to our dashboard. So new device. To secure your Klaviyo account, we need to confirm it's real. You entered the verification code that was sent, so we already get a verification code. So I will copy this code and then I will paste it here. So the process is really simple. I hope you understand how easy the process is. It is just take 2 or 3 minutes. So I hope now you can easily create your account. So after creating your account, Klaviyo will ask to connect your e-commerce platform. Here you can see this one. Then you just need to choose Shopify, WooCommerce, whatever platform you are using. Then install the integration app and give permission, and then sync your stored data like customer and product orders. Klaviyo will pull in your data for segmentation and personalized emails. So here, if you want to connect, you are allowed to connect it. Right now I will skip all the things here. Let's skip for now. Skip for now. Import existing for now. Skip for now. Then skip for now. Like, oh, I am doing all the skip here right now. Now you can see that our setup is complete. So here we are going to create a list or segment here. So you just need to go to the audience panel. Here you can see this is the audience sections. Then you have list and segment option, as you can see it in the number 2 row. Just click over here. Once you click over here, you will allow to create a list called newsletter or welcome list in here. So you have these options like create new and then create list over here. Just click over here and let's give a name that will be newsletter. And then you can choose a tag here. Just click to the create list, and as you can see our create list has been complete. Now you can also create a segment like VIP customer, people who purchased in the last 30 days, or abandoned cart is visitors. Like you just need to be listed are static, while segments update automatically based on conditions. So I will click on create a sign up form, or set up subscribe page, or upload contacts, or you can add a quick add options. So let's click this one, and here you just need to be add, go to by default page, and here you can see it has been added. So here edit page, so you are allowed to edit the page. So this is really simple. I hope you understand how easy the process was. So now we are going to create and send our first campaign email. So I will come back to our dashboard panel, and here you can see we just need to go to the campaign. So let's find out the campaign option in the top. After the home, you will find out the campaign. Just click over here, campaign, and then you just need to create a campaign. Just here you can see that guide me through your first campaign or build your own. So I will click over here, and then here you can see set up an email campaign, and here you can see that we have learned how to create an email campaign that converts. So segment, it means target, engage, subscribe to build your sender reputation, email design. So these are the things we will get. Just click to the next, and here you just need to be select your goal. Like you can choose mail, you can choose promote, sell, send a newsletter, whatever you want. You are allowed to select from these 5 options. I'm going to click this one, send a newsletter, and let's click to the next. And here you can see that email list. Like you can see that select this list of email. I already select preview list also. Then click to the next, and here select who will select an email design. So it will be an latest news or weekly update. Let's choose this one, and here you can see this is the template. They will be go through this mail, and this will be the responsive also. So I will use this template, and you are allowed to create your own template if you want to add it. So now here we are going to able to design it. Here you can add header bar, like this element or blocks, whatever you know. You just have to edit it here. You can add it here. Like email builder setup, like choose a template to start from scratch. Like add your logo, heading, product image, button, then customize with personalized tag like first name, and then click preview and test, then click schedule or send now once you are ready. So I'm going to click on preview and test, and click to the dismiss. Here enter the email address. So I'm going to provide my email address here, so I can see the preview. Just click through this one and click to the send test, and here you can see your test message sent successfully. Let's view it. Let's wait a bit. The social updates. So we just need to wait a bit to get the mail. Let's check to the spam. Okay, we didn't get any yet. Let's check to the spam. Yeah, here you can see that our mail is perfectly sent to us, and in this way you can send your first campaign to your audience. Now we are going to talk about setup and welcome flow automation. So you just need to go over here, come back to this Klaviyo, then go to the click on this one. Let's go to back. Let's search for Klaviyo again. So here, just copy this one, and then let's search it again. So here again, let's go to the account. In fact, when I click to the account, then it will redirect me here. So here you just need to go to the flows to make it automated. So here you can see create a welcome series. So it will help you to become automate response and automate whatever you want. Like select welcome series, then set a trigger when someone join this newsletter, like, and when someone added to email list. You can add that when someone added to a newsletter, then click to the next. Add all, like new sign up who have never purchased, new sign up who have not purchased, all new signs up, email when email coupon your offer is inside. So next, add a coupon code here. The coupon code will be by my name, and then click to the next and give an example, a coupon description 15% off then click to the next, and you can add bestsellers here, you can see, then click to the next. And in this way you can use your, like, you can create your automate device with this flow chart. Then now we are going to talk about use advanced segments and targeting. So use filters, like you can use filters like place order at least once, then view products but not purchase, then location is United States, whatever you want. This helps create hyper targeted campaigns with better open and conversation rate. So I can say that the video was really helpful for you. Let's wrap up the video here. If you found out this video was really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video with a new topic.